Every Gildan shirt is made with sustainability in mind. How, you ask? With vertically integrated manufacturing that allows us to make a ton of small decisions every step of the way. And why should you care? Because one small decision, like the apparel you buy, can have an extra large positive impact. Let me break it down for you. First, picture a t-shirt. Now picture 1.6 billion liters of water. Too much? Then try 650 pools. That's about how much water is saved every year thanks to the optimizations made throughout Gildan's manufacturing process. Now that's some extra large water savings. Plus, our wastewater treatment lagoons naturally return clean water to the environment. Water that is ready to sustain life, including the more than 40 species that live in and around these lagoons. Talk about an extra large ecosystem. Not bad for a big corporation. Now, imagine 5 elephants sitting in our lagoons. That's over 30 tons, and it's roughly the quantity of lint and sludge we collect with our filtration systems. Now, burn all that lint and use the heat and steam to create renewable energy to help sustain our textile facilities. Speaking of energy, this is Linda. She's got great energy and a safe, fairly paid job with benefits such as training. Because better working conditions and better training lead to extra large empowerment and ethical management. Management that also contributes to creating stronger communities in a network of over 40,000 people worldwide. And in the US, Gildan buys around 1/3 of the cotton consumed domestically, supporting an industry striving to sustainably grow and ethically harvest its cotton. See? That's how small decisions made by a big company over the last 20 years created an ongoing positive impact on the apparel industry. Because we're an extra large company, and we have an extra large responsibility.